Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, latest IDM and Chrome. Open Item, go to Options and General, and enable browser integration for Google Chrome. Once done, close Chrome completely so installers can register the extension. If the extension is missing, run the IDM installer again and choose to add browser extensions. This forces the native host and helper files into Chrome's extensions folder. Make sure you run both apps with normal user permissions. Administrator writes help for system-wide registration. You now install and enable the IDM integration module in Chrome. Open Chrome, //extensions, drag the downloaded. CRX or use developer mode to load the extension, then toggle it on and pin it for visibility. Once enabled, test that the native messaging host entry exists in the system registry or the appropriate JSON file on Mac OS/Linux. This lets IDM communicate with Chrome. If Chrome blocks the extension, click Details and allow it to run in incognito or allow file access. You finish by testing capture on a known file type. Start a download and watch for the IDM download panel. If IDM does not intercept, restart both Chrome and IDM, then re-enable the extension and try again. Make sure firewall or antivirus isn't blocking IDM's helper process, and verify the native messaging registry keys or JSON file match the extension ID. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstall the IDM extension using the IDM installer while Chrome is closed. This often restores the native host bridge and resolves capture failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.